Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Sugar Engineering Committed to Excellence. I hope you are doing great. Today we will discuss about the topic difference between SI and CI engine. In this video, we will discuss about the major differences between SI and CI engine. So let's start our video. SI engine is known as the spark ignition engine and the CI engine is known as the compression ignition engine. In SI engine, the spark plug is used to ignite the air fuel mixture in this combustion chamber, whereas in SI engine, the fuel injector is used to inject the fuel into this combustion chamber and the self ignition of the air fuel mixture takes place due to high compression ratio, that is around 16:20. So now clearly understood this difference between SI and CI using this animation. As in this SI engine, this spark plug is used that sparks into the combustion chamber and ignite the air fuel mixture, whereas in the CI engine, this is the fuel injector. This is used to inject the fuel in this combustion chamber and the ignition of the air fuel mixture takes place due to high compression in this compression stroke. I think you have clearly understood this difference between SI and CI engine. In SI engine, the fuel used here is gasoline or petrol, whereas in CI engine, the fuel used is diesel. In SI engine, the compression ratio is 6:9, and in CI engine the compression ratio is around 15:20. The SI engines are generally light in weight because of low pressure developed here, whereas in CI engine these are heavy in weight because of the high pressure developed here. The SI engines are having low vibrations and noise, whereas the CI engines are having more vibration and noise. The SI engine works on the Otto cycle and the CI engine works on the diesel cycle. We will discuss this Otto cycle and the diesel cycle in our next video. The speed is higher in SI engine and the speed is low in CI engine. The SI engines are generally having low thermal efficiency and the CI engines are generally having the high thermal efficiency. In SI engine, air and fuel are used during the intake process, whereas in CI engine, only air is used during the intake process. SI engines are generally cheaper in price, whereas CI engines are generally higher in price. SI engines also called the constant volume cycle and the CI engines also called the constant pressure cycle. We will discuss both constant volume cycle and the constant pressure cycle in our next video. Petrol fuel has a high self-ignition temperature in SI engine, whereas diesel fuel has a self-ignition temperature but it is low as compared to the SI engine. In SI engine, knocking takes place at the end of the combustion, whereas in CI engine, knocking takes place at the beginning of the combustion. In SI engine, a homogeneous mixture of fuel is used, whereas in CI engine, a heterogeneous mixture of fuel is used. The petrol fuel is used in aerospace and the automobiles, and diesel fuel is used in heavy vehicles such as lorries, buses, trucks and more. This is the major difference, please note it down. SI engines fitted with carburetor and the spark plug, whereas the CI engines fitted with injection or the fuel injected pumps. In SI engine, the ignition of air fuel mixture take place by an electric spark produced by a spark plug, as we have seen this in our animation. But in CI engine, air fuel takes place by the injection of fuel into the hot compressed air. At last, in SI engine, the temperature ranges here from 250 to 300 degrees Celsius, whereas in CI engine, the temperature ranges from 600 to 700 degrees Celsius. I hope you have clearly understood the major differences between the SI engine and the CI engine. Thanks for watching our video. Like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.